Now to calculate 1 inch effect at 24 yards. First of all, I have to make the zero distance. For example, at 100 yards. Okay. Okay. Now if the distance is 24 yards, calculate. It means now we have got clicks 184 and inches 6. Calculator. 184 divided by 6, 30 clicks. Now how much clicks to the right? 30 clicks to get 1 inch effect at 24 yards. It means that to get 1 inch effect at 24 yards, to get 1 inch effect, I have to click my scope to the right or to the left equal to 30 clicks. 30. Now as the point of impact was to the left one and it was 1 inch away from the bullseye. Therefore I have to dial 30 clicks to the right, 30 clicks to the right to get 1 inch effect at 24 yards. My gun is almost zero now.